Morning, good morning. Good morning, how's everyone doing? Hello, hello. Morning. Morning, morning. Can you guys hear me, see me? All good? All good on Discord, on YouTube? Yes? Awesome, awesome. Happy Friday! Happy Friday! You guys ready for today? Ready for some boom boom? No, I'm not on Zoom. Sorry, I'm on YouTube. On YouTube and Discord. This is Discord. Not on Zoom. So if you want to watch me, you can watch me here on YouTube and mute the YouTube and just hear me on Discord. I think it's better that way. You can see my charts, you can see what I take. You're gonna see my screen and you're gonna see me. YouTube is behind, I think, like 20 seconds. So, okay, so, you know, like always, let's wait a little bit after the market open, like 20 minutes. I always wait like 15, mostly 20 minutes after the market open to take anything. So, we have 5 more minutes to go for the market open and we're ready. Yeah, by the way, remember to like the video. Oh, and I made a video course for you guys. I'm gonna give it to you later. It sounds different today. Yep. It's like 5. I made like 5 videos. Well, I can give it to you guys right now because the market is still closed. And like I said, I don't trade the first few minutes after the market opens, so we have like 30 minutes without trading, at least for me. So in a nutshell, my strategy, I just wait for my levels to test, see like if I'm trading, if I wanna, like right now we are in 2 days we are now on an uptrend. So for me right now it's all about waiting for a deep buy opportunity. It just buying the dip, going with the trend pretty much. I just keep it very simple. I just use support and resistance, and then I wait to see how those support and resistance react based on whatever the candlesticks are telling me, and I just take my trade that way. That's with futures. With options, I swing trade with options. Okay, so what I'm looking today on SPY, if we can have a pullback to 558, it will be perfect to buy the dip. Obviously, we need to wait and see if that level 558 is really gonna act as support, and then we play the upside, even though SPY is already like booming after market or pre-market, I will say. If not, if it doesn't give us that 558 pullback, it's gonna be yesterday high. That's our highest support right now. Like yesterday high will be a good entry also. Good deep buy opportunity. For the Q is pretty much yesterday high. I have like 473, 474. It's my resistance on the Q. So it's pre-market high, yesterday high. That's our level on the Q, 474. If not, if I can see it pulling back to 469, 468, and again, that will be a good opportunity to buy the dip because right now we're on a very strong uptrend. Wednesday move was insane. That was the day. Have fun on your trip, Desi, but don't get too crazy. Yeah, Fridays are my worst day, so let's be careful today and end the day, the week green. I'm so close. Like I'm on a very difficult position right now because I had an amazing month last month, and here's my trade dealer, right? So far September and last month I'm up a little bit over 215,000 215,000. I'm sorry, 215. So so far September I'm up almost 100K, and I kind of want to close the today with 100K, so we'll see. I'm almost 100K, so we'll see. We'll see. Okay, the market is open. Ding, ding, ding. I was a little bit late, but we'll see. Do we have any data today? 215K is between last month and this month so far. Okay, let's see if we have any data. Consumer inflation at 10. Ooh, I might need to wait until 10 to trade. Like SPY is already booming. Oh yeah, we have consumer sentiment at 10. I range the high as support. So if you're feeling risky, you want to trade right away, that's your entry. That's your entry. I'm not taking anything right now. My main watch for next week, it's gonna be Nike. Nike has a huge gap that I want to play. But it needs to hold 79. I want to see it holding 79. And Q's rejecting 500. Unity. Yeah, remember me on Monday. Mad Max. Yes, remember me on Monday. Remember? Yeah. Yeah, good, very good hold here on SPY. It's holding yesterday high very, very strongly. Let's see how it's gonna react to pre-market high. That's our next resistance here. But yeah, SPY very strong. Nvidia is weak. Meta is reacting. Apple reacting. Microsoft holding very good. Very, very good. How am I liking my funded futures? I really like it. I wish I could trade with more, at least with 5 accounts at the same time. Like 5 funded accounts, but it's only 3. But I do like it. You know what I like the most about my funded future is their dashboard. Apex and FTT website looks so old, and they're making everything like really difficult to like their website's weird. But my funded future is very smooth, very, very good design, easy to understand everything. Like everything's very easy on my funded futures. I do love it. The Q is still under 474. That's the level that the Q needs to break to go higher. But I would love to see the Q pulling back to 470, 469. That will be perfect. That will be perfect to play a bounce there on the Q. I use Apex and my funded futures. You guys can read it on the screen. You're asking me on the YouTube chat, and you can see it on the screen. And you have it on the top of the chat also. IWM, let's see what IWM is doing. It's right at resistance. 215, 215.50. It's a big resistance there. Not a big resistance, but yeah. Oh yeah, it's a big resistance. 215. Okay, we have a reaction there on SPY. Reacting pre-market high. The Q trying to hold, but it's still under yesterday high. Nvidia is in the middle of nowhere, pretty much. Ooh, beautiful bounce here on the Q. I still want to see the Q either pulling back down or breaking 474. That's pre-market high and yesterday high. That's the level to watch on the Q. SPY pre-market high. Apple is very weak. Projecting the VWAP. Microsoft is not doing much, but it's holding very good. It's holding the VWAP. It's fighting yesterday high. 427. I think if Microsoft can break 427, oh, it has a lot of resistance at 430. For 437, it can boom today. How about Tesla? Okay, let's check it out, Tesla. Whoa. Okay, 474. Ooh, our Tesla contracts are doing beautiful. Beautiful. We took Tesla yesterday on the stream. Around 225. Beautiful. I really want to see Tesla breaking 235 because that will be the beginning of the gap and we can play that huge gap that Tesla has above. On Tesla, on the weeklies, I think I'm gonna start taking some profit here on Tesla. Yeah. On the weeklies, I'm gonna hold my full position for the next weeks. Yeah. Those are up really nice. Really nice. Okay. 474 rejection on the Q and pre-market high rejection on SPY. Apple dying. Meta looking very strong. Nvidia holding very good. Yeah, it's ADR and voice. Yes, it's me. Oh, that's awesome, Debbie. Yep. Clean charts. Definitely clean charts, clean mind. when you sometimes I see charts that have like 1,000 levels and like 5 indicators, I'm like, I don't know how you read that. Like, it's overwhelming. Okay, the Q is trying to break 474. Let's see if it's really gonna break it and hold it above. That will be our entry to the upside. If it can really break it, pretty much waiting for a break and retest there. But I want to see a strong close above, like these 5-minute candles. I want to see a strong close above 474. Ooh, rejecting there. We have a rejection there. Nvidia. For me, because I know Fridays are not my best day, I need to be really, really patient here. I might wait until after 10 a.m. when we got data. Yeah, Tesla 235, 236 is a big resistance, and above that you have the big gap. Microsoft very, very strong. The main level that I see there, like the main resistance, is 430. It's a big resistance, 430. 420, I'm sorry, yeah, 429, 430. Ooh, ugly reaction there on Nvidia. Ooh, what a reaction of 474. That's why we wait for a break and retest. Pretty much we wait for confirmation that the level is really gonna hold. So far it's rejecting. Ugly, ugly reaction there. SPY keeps rejecting pre-market high. So no upside. For me, at least no upside trade for me so far. $1 million this month? Oof. Can you imagine having $1 million day? Like making a million with one trade? Oof. I don't know if I'd be able to handle that position. Oh, QQQ, yes. Yes. I will still wait for a clear break and then pull back. Nvidia is rejecting resistance, 120. So that's why the Q is having trouble at 474. Nvidia, ooh. Ugly rejection there of 120 on Nvidia. 500K? Oh my god. Also, I think when you have like a huge day just out of nowhere, like that guy you said, Akrual, that he had a 500K with GameStop, that's gonna mess up your trading. Because you were just lucky. Or maybe, yeah, you know how to trade, but you still had luck. So yeah, I think that will mess up my trading. Ooh, that's a good break on the Q. Yeah, that's a good break on the Q. I do like that break on the Q. We have like 12 minutes for data. So I don't know if I wanna wait for data or I wanna trade these right now. Damn, Meta flying. It's right at resistance right now. So if you're Meta, be careful there. 527 is a strong resistance. I would take a little bit of profit and just wait for a big break there. Just to be safe. Okay, let's see if we have a pullback here on the Q. Pullback to 474 and holds. Not holding so far. Let's see. Waiting a little bit here. I want to see if this candle is really gonna hold, but I don't like how Nvidia is under the VWAP. I don't like that. Okay, I like that bounce on the Q. Meta rejecting there. 527. The Q fighting 474. It's not looking too good. SPY definitely looking better here, holding pre-market high as support. Let's see. Ooh, it's Nvidia. Nvidia. I'm gonna try going long here on SPY, on ES. I'm doing it with ES. Yeah. My stop is gonna be this 5-minute candle. If it goes red, I'm getting out. Yeah, I like how SPY is holding pre-market high. I don't have ES resistance. Remember, I don't use futures levels. I don't watch futures. So I talk about SPY, but I'm trading with futures and you guys can trade with options. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. SPY is looking pretty good so far. 462, I can see it's a little bit of resistance. The main one is a little bit under 562 is a little bit of resistance. The main one is 564, and then all-time high. Damn, we're so close to all-time high. Ooh. Almost. I'm up all 5K, 4K, 5. Okay. I think I'm gonna get out before data, even though maybe data just gonna make this thing fly. I like that Q hold. Nice bounce on Nvidia, but Nvidia is still under the VWAP, which means is weak. Microsoft is pulling down. SPY definitely very strong. Ooh, I like that. Looking very good. Nvidia, I don't like Nvidia. I'm out. I don't like Nvidia here. I'm out. I'm out. I'm gonna wait for after data. Yes, SPY still looks pretty bullish, but I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, we have data at 10, so in 10 minutes, pretty much. Yeah, Nvidia is looking weak. That's why the Q is having so much trouble here. We have Meta right at resistance. Microsoft is fighting the VWAP. It had an ugly reaction at 429. Apple is under the VWAP, even though it's bouncing. Yeah, 2500, little trader, 2500. Not bad for me for a Friday. Oh, that puts me in over 100K for the month. Yay! Yay! Yeah, we're looking SPY. Everything is looking, not everything. SPY and the Q are looking very bullish so far. The Q is still holding 474, has support. SPY is above pre-market high, and it held it at support. So far we're looking bullish. We're looking bullish. But I want to be protective today and gonna wait for data. Thank you, Britt. That's so nice. That's so sweet. Thank you. No, you cannot trade options with Apex. Only futures. Yeah, I have noticed that we're having like bigger, like more consistency or bigger move after 10. In fact, I noticed also, like I talked about this yesterday on the stream. I noticed that most of the time the first trade that I take is red. And it's because I'm taking it before 10, or yeah, before 10 a.m. Tesla, ugly reaction there. Thank you, thank you. Morning. Yeah, so we're still holding. Nvidia is fighting the VWAP right now. Same thing with Apple, but Apple kinda looks like a bear flag. Microsoft is holding the VWAP, but it's not looking too strong. I like Meta, how it's consolidating right at resistance, which for me that could indicate that it's gonna break it. But This is a big resistance on Meta. Big one. I'm gonna show you guys this. Look at the daily on Meta. That's a huge resistance. Ooh, Microsoft. Ugly reaction there. On Microsoft, Meta. We have data in 5. Yeah. I still don't love this 474 hold on the Q. Like, it's not looking that strong. SPY looking way better. This 30-minute candle is looking like a reaction candle on the Q, right at resistance. Yeah, I always use the 5-minute chart. I don't use anything below 5. I use the 5, 30, and daily, and weekly. Yeah, be careful because so far we still have I don't know, okay, we still have like a few more minutes for data and we don't know what's gonna happen after. So we can have a big push or we can have a big like red candle. So let's just wait. A perfect long for me will be if SPY can go back down to 558 and the Q to 469. That's what I wanna see. I don't know if we're gonna have it because SPY looks eager to boom boom today. You wanna short here? You wanna go against the market with SPY holding support? That's good. Okay. Nvidia is still, it's not too strong. Tesla, same thing. Happy that I sold the weeklies on Tesla, that I took the profit. I will go short if I see the Q losing the VWAP. That's your confirmation that is losing this uptrend. But remember, you're still trading against the trend. The trend is bullish. We have consumer sentiment. 2 more minutes. Good flag here on SPY. But again, I'm not taking anything until data, and I don't like Nvidia being weak. There's only one VWAP. There's only one VWAP. And it doesn't matter if you're looking, excuse me, if you're looking the 1 minute chart, 2, 3, 5, the VWAP is always in the same position. Like, if I'm looking the 5 and talking about the VWAP and you're looking the 1 minute, you're gonna have it at the same number that I have it. Answer, yeah, but that VWAP, it's gonna have like, whoa, whoa, who's in this? This is why I don't trade data. Look at that. That would have definitely blow up my accounts, my prop firm account. Damn. That's funny. That's an FU bullish, FU buyers, FU sellers type of candle. Who's holding Siri options? I have Siri options and that thing is still down like 100% those options, but I saw on X that uh the brokers are gonna fix the options, I think next week or in a few days. I think those options are gonna be up a lot, to be honest, because I bought them and I posted on the Discord. I bought them at 3 and I bought them for the end of the year and for the end of the end of 2025. Oh no, I have for January 2025. Oh, January 20 and January 2026. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, but it's not really, those options are not really down. It's just that they haven't like put everything together for the options to be at the new prices. So, but if you had Siri like weekly options or next week, maybe you're screwed. Okay, so we have a huge candle, but nothing really happened. We are on the same exact level. So I'm still gonna wait a few minutes because I don't know, we don't know what's the trend now. Like intraday trend. The Q is looking weak, Nvidia is very weak. Spice is still holding support, but the Q is having a lot of trouble there. Yeah, that was weird. Yeah, today to practice patience. A lot of patience. Especially being Friday. And I don't trade Fridays because most of the time Fridays are very choppy. Very choppy. You can have maybe one or twice a month that you have a Friday that has a big move, but most of the time Fridays are very choppy. Yeah, we're holding. I still don't know what trend we're gonna have here. Are we gonna keep going higher or we're gonna pull back? I personally would love to see a pullback. Yeah, this imagine watching that week in the 1 minute time frame. Let's see how it's looking on the 1 minute time frame. That will be crazy. No. still looks like a flag. I still don't love anything. I like more SPY than anything else, but I still don't love anything. Maybe Apple if it can really break the VWAP and hold it as support. Yeah. Careful if you're trading IWM. It's right, it gap up right at resistance. Damn, SMCI, I missed my entry on Wednesday. Look at that move. Ooh, Nike. Nike. It's at 79. Why my alert didn't work there? I had an alert at 79. It didn't pop off. Remember we entered yesterday? I entered yesterday with a little position. I want to see it today closing holding 79, and that's gonna be my main options trade for Monday, for next week. Yeah, Nike, it's my main trade for next week. I still don't like this. Yes, the Q is holding 474 and the VWAP, who I trusted. Oh yeah, now I like it a little bit more than before because Nvidia is holding now about support, but Nvidia is a mess. That was messy. Okay, I'm gonna try to SPY here again. Same trade, exactly same trade. My stop is gonna be this candle low, this 5-minute candle low. Yeah, I like that hold. I definitely like that hold. Yep, yep, yep. I took also the Q with my funded futures. Ooh, I don't like that candle. Okay, looking better, way better. Watch this meta flag. It's right at resistance, but it looks very good, this meta flag. Microsoft bouncing, meta still flagging, and SPY is holding very good. It looks like a flag. Let's see if we have any continuation here. The Q, beautiful 474 hold. Come on, SPY. Do it. Just do it. We're holding. Or not. We're holding. What a chop mess. I want to see a SPY feeling this weak here. Oh, Nvidia again pulling back. Okay, we're looking good so far. Ooh, I don't like that Nvidia move. Again. Nvidia very messy, very choppy. SPY looking pretty good. The Q also, it's still holding above 474, so very clean so far. Very clean. Yes, yes, I like that. Watch Apple. Apple is turning back. It's holding the VWAP. I can see Apple going to 225. 220, a little bit above 225.50, 225.60 is the next level that I see on Apple. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bounce here on SPY. I'm up almost 8K on this trade. Let's see if can give me a bounce to 562. Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Nvidia again. What a mess. This is turning ugly. Let's see if Nvidia is gonna bounce here. The meta is pulling down. Yeah, this is ugly. This is ugly. Okay, I'm out. I don't like how this market is moving. I'm out. I'm out. Yes, it's still holding, but I don't like that. I don't like those wicks. I'm up a little bit over 5K, and I think I'm good with that. Yeah, I think that's good for a Friday, for a very choppy morning. Yes, we're still holding, but I will say if you're trading future, is very difficult to hold this chop because these candles are kind of like have a high, very high, and very low low. So you can easily break out your account with options. Is definitely way easier to hold. I'm still holding on my funded future this long here. This is what I have. So I'm all out with Apex, but I'm holding this. I have one mini on ES and one mini on NQ. I'm a little bit more risky with my funded futures because it's only 3 accounts. But with Apex, I have a little bit more careful because I have 20. Okay, I like that. Definitely like that. With if you guys watch NQ, the NQ is right at a very strong resistance right now. Why using a profit? Because why not using other people's money? Because let's just say I'm down. Okay, I make money. Yeah, you can say, well, you make all that money. You can make it on your own account. Yeah, but what happens when you have a red day? When you have red days, like let's just say I'm down 300 on each account. Like let's just say 100 on each account, right? If I had 20 accounts, that will be no. Let's just say I have 1,000, right? Down. I'm down $1,000 on 20 accounts. That will be 20K, right? I'm not. If I'm using a prop firm, I'm not losing any money if I'm not blowing up a account. If I'm using my own account, I'm gonna have to put a lot of money for that risk, and I'm gonna be losing 20,000 plus. I'm gonna have to put a lot of money on my broker, so I'm being able to trade that many contracts. So for me, it's a no-brainer using others people money to make money. Okay, so I don't like those wigs. Those wigs. Ugly, freaking ugly wigs. Yeah, I don't like those wigs. Apple again under the VWAP? Yeah, the 5 minute wigs. Yes, 5 minutes. Again, remember, I don't use anything under the 5 minute time frame, and you guys can see my charts on the stream. I honestly don't like anything for a swing right now, especially on a Friday. I don't take swings. Unless I see a chart that I really love. I don't swing on Fridays. I prefer to just wait on Monday for Monday. Yeah, the 5 minute time frame definitely helped me to stay patient and help me with the confirmation that my levels are really working. I'm all out. I don't like this. I'm all out, guys. Let me show you my day here. That's my day. Yeah, so yes, we keep going higher, but I don't like how the market is moving. So definitely doing higher highs and higher lows, which is very bullish, right? But I prefer to protect myself, lock my profits, and be happy with my Friday. Mhm. I will say if you're holding options with SPY in the queue, pretty much hold it unless it goes under the Q 474 and SPY pre-market high. I trade minis. I must say that at the beginning, when I started trading futures 1 year ago, and when I started trading, I was trading constantly micros, not minis. So if you're starting trading futures, start with micros. If you're new on that, minis are gonna blow up your account very fast. Very fast. SPY, look at that SPY move. Looking beautiful. Everything's looking beautiful but Tesla. Mm, I don't see any gap on SPY. Ooh, IWM is above 215. MQ is really gonna reject 500 or it's gonna boom boom there. Ooh, I know. Yeah. I love Nike chart for the gap. So we entered yesterday the October's 80 contracts. I'm gonna get October 4th 80 contracts. I'm gonna get more in, let's see, also gonna get 85, which is a little bit more risky, out of the money, but my biggest position is the 80s. Yuck. 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 Ay. Yeah, I do options on my phone. Yuck. Bro, Nvidia's looking not bueno. No bueno. Oh yeah, let me post my chart, Nike chart, on ADR trades and what I got there. On the stream yesterday, we got a little bit, like my started position. I got a little bit more today, and I'm gonna wait for Monday for my main one. But I do love this chart. I think as long as Nike it's above 78, we can have the gap fill. Ideally, we want to see it holding 79. Yuck! This 30-minute candle is looking ugly. Ooh. Nvidia. I posted on ADR chart, ADR trades. I know it can be very confusing sometimes. Ooh, I'm happy I took profits and I got out of this. What a mess. What a mess. In fact, I like this Q play to the downside. But I'm not gonna take it. I'm done for today. I'm not taking any more trade, especially futures. I like locking my profits and staying green. But yeah. Ooh. Look at that daily candle on SPY in the Q. It's looking so toppy. Yeah, I do think I would love to see a pullback here. Like a bigger pullback. On SPY 558 and on the Q 469, 470, around there. Where is the SPY coming to on 30 minutes? I don't know what you mean. Yeah, definitely a fakey breakout. Fakey. Okay, I'm gonna start putting my trades on TradeZilla. And we're done. I don't know what's that, Mike. No idea what's that. Green September for me. And it looks like for the market too. Ugly pullback here. What an ugly Nvidia chart. What's my game plan? My game plan is being done here. In my game plan, it's closing my computer and having some margaritas. Skinny margaritas. That's my game plan. Be careful, guys. See, look how the market is super choppy. Remember, we don't need to trade every single day. We're here not to trade, we're here to make money, right? So how do we make money? Looking for A+ setups. looking for good setups, not looking for trades that are risky, that it might turn around against us. So, especially on a Friday. You don't want to go red on a Friday because that maybe mess up your weekend. We can definitely see how the market is super choppy today. So, no reason to force it. Isla Margarita? I wish I was there. Mm. Uh, Broadcom? I'll check it out in a little bit. Let me finish putting everything on TradeZilla and I'll be back with you guys. Yeah, I'll look at Uber. Okay, you want me to look Uber, Broadcom, what else? Mm, Microsoft? Okay. Oh, where the video course? Yeah, give me 1 second. Let me finish with putting everything on TradeZilla and I'll be back with you guys. Crown Strike? Okay. Okay. Okay, so posted my date on ADR chart, ADR trades. You can see there trade theta. It's like over 6,300, and for the month at over 105,000. Pretty good. Can't complain. Okay, let's go with the chart you guys asked for. Okay, Broadcom, right? My computer is super laggy. I don't know why. Oh yeah, Broadcom definitely. I like that this pullback here. Ooh, 164, 165 hold. I like that. Yes, I do like this hold here on Broadcom. Definitely looks very good. Looks good for a swing. As long as it's holding, I will say as long as it keeps holding today's low, 164, I definitely like it. Yeah, I will go a little bit lower here. Like it for more upside, but I will definitely wait for Monday. I will not take it today. I will wait for Monday. I will wait to see if today is really gonna hold 164, 165 of support, and then on Monday I'll enter it, right? So I don't want to babysit it today. Microsoft. Microsoft, it's hitting to a very strong resistance here. I will say 429, 430. Again, I do like it. I would love to see a strong break of that level and hold 430 as support, and then I will enter on Monday also. Yeah, here is Microsoft. Definitely like it if can break 430 and use it as support, because that's a huge level of resistance there. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4 green days, straight green days. So yeah, definitely want to see a break there and then a little pullback and hold it as support. And I will enter definitely for next week. I will wait for Monday. Let's go with Crown Strike. I think it was the other one. Pretty much the same thing. It's also at resistance. It's right at resistance right now. Yes. Definitely looking bullish. I like how it's holding above the VWAP. Definitely clean uptrend. Beautiful pullback to the VWAP and bounce. But again, it's at a very strong resistance. I would love to see it breaking it and then waiting for Monday to enter this one. Very similar to the other ones. Give me 1 second, I'm getting a cold. Okay, I'm back. Yes, so pretty much the same thing for everything. Just like that's crown strike pretty much exactly like Microsoft. You want to see her breaking that resistance and waiting for that resistance break. Let's look at snow. Snow is one that I missed, I think yesterday. No, I have snow calls. What? I forgot about that one. How okay, let me check. Oh yeah, I have my snow call for next week. Yeah. What I'm saying. I got confused with another one. Yeah, snow is looking beautiful. Okay, so we have a little bit of resistance. What it is right now, around 115. But I do think this chart has a lot of potential because it's breaking out of a very strong support and out of a falling wedge. I entered snow because I like the falling wedge that it had. And yeah, so snow, love it. Definitely looking pretty good. What was the other one? Oh, Uber. Okay, this chart is a little bit tricky because you had a gap up out of a falling wedge. So I will say I will definitely wait for Uber to pull down to 70 or yesterday high, and that will be my entry on Uber. So for me right now it's in the middle of nowhere. If I see kind of like the bigger picture here, I would love to see a pullback to yesterday high, and that will be a perfect entry to play the upside because that will be a gap fill, pretty much a gap close reversal. It's what I'm looking on Uber. Here it is. Yeah, a gap close reversal is what I would like to see on Uber to enter around 70 and play the upside continuation. Yeah, Uber moves very slow. That's why I don't really play Uber. I don't like stocks that move super slow. Nike? I already talked about Nike. That's why I took Nike, and I've been posting Nike chart on my Discord like I think this entire week. You guys have that chart. Um what else? Oh, Tesla. Very messy today. But again, if we look at the bigger picture, what's Tesla doing? It's in a clear uptrend. Let me clean this a little bit so you guys can see it better. We always need to zoom out and really understand what's pretty much the structure on the stock that we're trading or SPY in the queue. What is Tesla doing? Not today, so the past few days. It's in a very clean uptrend. So as long as it keeps doing higher highs and higher lows, we wait for pullbacks and we buy the dip pretty much until it doesn't work because it's on a downtrend. So far, what I love about Tesla is that it has a huge gap above. Is it ready for the gap? Not really. First, it needs to break 235. Yeah, 235. Need to break 235. But I'm holding for next week because I wanna sell near 234, a little bit above 234, and then I'm gonna wait for a break into inside the gap, retest of this 235, 236 level, and then that's when I'm gonna enter contracts to play the gap. But right now, Tesla's doing nothing. It's rejecting yesterday high. It's very messy. So if you see the intraday chart, there's not much to trade there. Just very choppy. Look for cleaner charts. At least that's what I do. I try to make my life easier, just looking for cleaner charts. Any other charts that you guys want me to see? No. Apex, I don't do Apex videos. There's 1,000 videos on YouTube about every single prop firm. If you go to Apex website, they have a bunch of videos. Like what you're asking me, you can literally see it on their website. They have a bunch of tutorials. I do videos about pretty much how I trade. My trading strategy. What's my favorite setup? How I make money trading. Coin? Okay. Coin. Ooh, I like this one. This has so much potential. I'm not taking it today, but I do love coin above, what's the level that I see here? 161, 162. Ooh, I like this one. Yep. Easy, right? So this is what I like on coin. Anything that is holding these previous resistance here, resistance, support, the same level. So above that level, I think coin is very bullish. It has a little bit of resistance around 169. But then you have a lot of room to go to 180, 177. Yeah, I like this one. Very clean chart. Do I have my funded features account? You're on YouTube. You can read it on the screen. It's literally on the screen. Palantir. EOTR. Palantir. That thing is super bullish. Too late to enter. That thing is gone. Is it making all-time high? Let's see. Oh no. Let's see the weekly. You need a pullback to enter Palantir. Like, it's too late to enter. Right now it's right at weekly resistance. Yeah, I will say a pullback to 33 if you can get it. I don't know if we're gonna get it. Pullback to 33 or a gap fill below. It has a gap from yesterday's close till today open. A gap fill there, it can also give you a good pullback. But you just need to wait for next week. Too late to enter Palantir. Palo Alto. But it's looking pretty bullish, like crazy bullish. Um, Palo Alto is doing a flag. Ooh, on the weekly is doing a flag. Doing a bull flag. That thing can really, really, really boom boom. That's the weekly. Just filled the gap today. It had a gap and just got filled and rejected. So it looks like a gap close reversal there. Yeah, 355. 355, your next resistance on Palantir. No, I'm sorry, Palo Alto. You either wait for a break of 355, a break and hold, pretty much a break and retest, or you wait for a pullback to 348. What I really like about Palo Alto is this weekly bull flag. Yes, weekly bull flag. Kava. Is this an all-time high for Kava? Yep. Yeah. So you basically need to break a all-time high. That's it. That's it. Not much to do here. If it is at an all-time high, right now you need to break of that, or I will say if you can pull back to fill the gap and pull back to 104, around 104, it could be a good entry to play the upside continuation. Yeah, that would be a gap, filling the gap and then reversing there, another gap close reversal. It's what I would like to see on Kava. If not, you just need to wait until it breaks all-time high, and then you'll wait for a break and retest there, pretty much. Fine, the Q still looking pretty ugly. Like, both are holding support, but it's very messy. You know what I don't like about SPY? I don't like how SPY has very big level of resistance above. So basically you have 563, 564, 565, and all-time high as resistance. So you have a huge block of resistance above that it's gonna be tricky to trade there. Yeah, it gets difficult. The closer we get to all-time high, it gets more difficult to trade. This is what I'm talking about on SPY. How many screens? I have 3. But I used to trade only on my laptop, but I have 3. I have 3 screens only because I need to run a lot of stuff for the stream. I need a lot of space for the stream. Oh, it's October 4th. Obviously, if you don't see October 8th, it's October 4th. It's October, the first. I don't know what day is. Let me check my broker. October, yeah, October 4th. Sorry. But that's easy for you to check it out, right? Oh. No, I don't read the tape. The only thing that I used to trade is what you guys see on the screen. Charts, 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 and levels, and candlesticks, and the VWAP. That's it. I use SPY and the Q. I don't use futures. And I watch Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Meta. That's all I use for my trading. No, I haven't sent a link for my course. You guys want it? What time is it? It's 11. Yeah, we can do this. Okay, so you just need to make a comment on my last video that I post on AVR videos and just say, give me the course. That's it. And I'll send you the link. This is the video. Just comment, give me the course, and I'll send you the video, the link to the course. I don't have a chat on my Discord. On my Discord, I only post my levels and my watch list pre-market. The Discord that you see here is from a friend that I'm helping here today. I don't use 1 minute candles. I don't use anything lower than 5 minutes. No, you gotta make that comment on this video. The video that I send you, the YouTube video. Just give me a course on that, make a comment on that video, not on DMs. I'm not gonna answer any DMs. Just put the, make the comments there and I'll send you the link. I don't use volume. No, it's nothing I can do about it. It's 20 seconds delayed on YouTube. That's why I post my levels pre-market and I talk about what I'm looking for to trade. So you guys are prepared before taking my trades. That's the idea, right? The idea is not for you to just follow me blindly. It's for you guys to be prepared before I take any trades. And I literally talk about the levels that I'm looking to play, if it is to the upside or the downside before I take any trade. So 20 seconds is nothing. No, make a comment. Just post a comment. Write a comment. Give me the video. Or give me the guide. Give me the guide. And I'll send you the link. Guys, the comment is on the video link, the video that I just sent you the link, not on the chat, not on DMs. Again, not in the chat, not on DMs. Yeah, I think people, yeah. And that's how you want to make money trading. If you cannot follow instructions, how you want to make money trading? En español, por favor, go. Oh, en español, por favor, anda al link que te mandé y dejas un mensaje diciendo dame el video course. Dame. I don't know French, I know Italian. And people keep sending me DMs. No, I don't speak Portuguese. But I will say if you speak Spanish or Italian, you can definitely understand Portuguese. Same thing if you speak Spanish or Portuguese, you can easily understand Italian. What does ADR means? My initials. My name is Andrea, so that's the A. Oh, if you kept getting those fake accounts, you need to not, before blocking them, you need to like report them. Just click the 3 dots and click report, because I don't get them anymore. And every time I see one of them, I keep them out of the Discord. So the first thing that you need to check is if you have any server in common or friends. My stop on snow is too late to enter snow. Bro, because you put the comment on the wrong video. I didn't send that video, and that is not the last video that I post on ADR video. Again, follow instructions. It's not that easy. It's not that hard. I'm sorry. It's very easy. Yeah, it's too choppy, very choppy. Technically, we're still very bullish. SPY is still holding above yesterday high, still holding above pre-market high. The Q is still holding above 474, which is around yesterday high. So technically, we are very bullish. But do I want to trade this? Not really. Oh, don't get me started with that, Jason. You had no idea how many people like DM me like literally like 20 questions to start using Apex. I mean, English is not like, I barely speak English and I was able to do it. Just following, just reading their website and following their tutorials. Mm. Yeah, definitely Nvidia needs to break 120. Yes, yes. Definitely needs to break 120. And just by looking how Nvidia is been acting today, I will not trade Nvidia. Like right now. If you enter it yesterday, awesome. Keep holding it if it keeps doing higher highs and higher lows. But entering here, I don't really like it because it's too close to 120, which it keeps rejecting. Stop loss on Nike. Let's see. Wednesday low. Let me put it on AVR trades. I think I didn't put my stop loss. Yeah. It's 76.70. Yeah, that's my stop loss. Push. Um, Amazon is like looks very toppy. Very, very toppy. Again, everything is like if we see the bigger picture, everything looks it's like on the bigger time frame is very bullish. But for today or for Monday, I think we need a little pullback to be able to enter to have a good risk to reward trades. We need a pullback. We had two huge green days. Today so far is also green, but I do think we need a little pullback. At least I think that's what I would love to see to be really comfortable trading this upside. Data trade? I don't know what's that. I don't know what you mean. Silver? I used to trade silver a lot. Like 2 years ago. I haven't checked silver in like years. Friday 13? Oh yeah, today is Friday 13. Maybe we end the day red. The market, not we. Yeah, I try my best to avoid choppy markets because choppy markets are, it's again like what I said like 1 hour ago. We want to trade something that our money is not gonna be too much at risk, right? You want to trade something that it's easier for you to hold, that you don't have anything against you. Choppy markets is not easy to trade. So why do you want to trade? Why do you want to trade something that is risky? How much money I lost when I started trading? I think around 30K, but I'm not sure because you know how it is when you start trading. It's like you put a little bit of money and you lose it, and then you add more money to your account and you lose it again, and then you do it again and again and again and again and then again. But I think it was around 30K. If you use Robinhood, you can definitely see how much money you lost or if you have made your entire trading career. I like that about Robinhood. You can easily see it. But sometimes I think it's good sometimes to change brokers so you don't have in mind like you don't keep in mind how much you lost, so that way you don't have it like, oh, I want to gain back all that. I think who was to do that? He did that. I think it was Jake Rake Trades. I think he talked about that, how when he started he lost like 30 or maybe a little bit more, and then when he finally kind of like got it, or finally was like not losing money, but he was trading a little bit more comfortable and being flat. Basically, he changed broker so that way in his mind it was like starting from clean slate, right? So you don't have in mind how much you lost. You don't try to like gain back everything you lost, and it's like starting from zero. No, I haven't done Rake's course because I've been profitable for 5 years, and I think he's starting like posting his stuff. I don't know, the past 2 years, maybe three. No, how many contracts? One mini with the 50K accounts and two minis with the 150K accounts. I will say I try my best to avoid choppy days. The thing is, like, because I have the stream, I kind of need to come here every day and trade. But before doing the stream, I was just skipping choppy days. Like, I will see if I kind of know that we're gonna have an inside day. Your inside days are the choppy days, so I would avoid those days. Yeah, that's my money. Yeah, I'm looking at the chart. I don't use fundamentals at all. RSI? No, why? I don't use RSI. I only use what you guys see on my chart. You guys can literally see my charts on the screen. But I must say that, okay, I've I've tried using, like, I tried having RSI and MACD on my daily and weekly time frames, and in in combination with the levels, you can really find really good swing trades with the RSI and the MACD. If everything aligns, those swing trades pay money, like big time. But I don't use anything because I don't like having too many stuff on my charts. So you can only see on my charts the levels, the 9 EMA and the VWAP, but I don't really use much the 9 EMA, only the VWAP pretty much. No, I'm not on a live account. No. Okay, I think we're done here, right? Yes, the market's looking bullish. Any of you holding SPY or QQQ calls? I think it is a very easy hold if you're holding options. Okay, you are getting annoying. Q. Oh no, 0DT, you're dead. 0DT, it's a big no for me. What did I do before becoming a trader? Pretty much everything. No, I'm lying. I didn't do much. I was studying, I was getting my master's degrees and working here and there, but not much. The thing is, like, I always knew that I wanted to make money on my own online. That's how I found trading. I was looking ways of making money online. How long it took me? I would say around 2 years, maybe a little bit over 2 years, but yeah, around 2 years. I will say when I had 2 years, then I started to not lose money. Masters on what? I have a master's on HR and another one in business. Never use them, but yeah, I do have it them. Any tips on when to increase position? Desi made a video about that. He just made a video about that. I'll look that video for you. Here is. That's the video he made for that. Tesla over 230? What? Wrong chart. Oh yeah. Yeah, but it's a mess. It's not doing anything. Again, like I said like a few minutes ago when we were looking at excuse me, Tesla chart. Tesla is on an uptrend, but today super choppy. So, but as long as it keeps going higher and higher, we're good, right? We're good holding our Tesla calls. I'm super comfortable holding my Tesla calls for next week. What? Tesla, boom boom, till 235. On choppy days is when you lose your account because you start going like, ooh, we're gonna pull back down. No. And then you get stop out and no, we're going higher. And then you get stop out there. And but again, find the queue, still choppy but bullish. Very bullish. Just moving very slow. Like very slow. I'm done, guys. This is getting super boring. I don't want to keep trade watching this market. We're pretty much done, like 1 hour, maybe less. Do I see a pullback to 555? Do you see any reactions there? Is the market it's the chart showing you any reaction? No. I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. Only what it's doing right now, and what right now SPY is doing is going higher, making higher highs and higher lows. So no reactions. Until that change, we just trade what the market is doing right now. Right now, higher highs and higher lows above important levels of support. The VWAP pointing to the upside. Same thing with the 90 MA. So I only trade like the first few minutes of the market open, the first few hours. Ideally, if I didn't have the stream, I would be done like 2 hours ago, I think. Like yesterday. Yesterday was the perfect day for me, right? I overslept, came a little bit late to the stream. I was on my PJ because I wasn't feeling too good. I turned on the computer. I was on the stream. I said, "Ooh, I like that SPY reaction." Took the trade. Like literally, like 2 minutes after starting the stream, made 24K, and I was done in like 10 minutes. And done. Just drinking my coffee in my PJ. And yeah, happy Thursday. And done. Okay, so I'm done for you. I'm done for now, for today. I'll see you guys on Monday. If you left the comment on the video, the last video that I post, just comment, give me the guide, and I'm gonna go and send you the link for the video course. So if you haven't done it, go do it, and I'll send you the link. See you guys on Monday. Thank you for being here, and remember to like the videos, comment, subscribe, help me with that. Bye!